Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your iPad runs the latest iPad OS so Outlook integrates properly. Once updated, open the App Store, search for Outlook, and tap Get to Install. Make sure you have your email credentials and any two-factor app or code accessible. This speeds setup and prevents interruptions. If your work account uses device management, allow the required permissions when prompted. These first steps get the app ready and authorized, so you can add accounts without backtracking or permission errors. Now add your account inside Outlook. Tap Add Account, enter your email, and select the appropriate account type: Microsoft 365 or Exchange for Work, Gmail for personal, or a map/POP for custom domains, because each uses different server settings. When Outlook requests permissions for mail, calendars, and contacts, approve them so syncing works correctly. If multi-factor authentication appears, enter the code or approve the push prompt. This confirms identity and completes secure sign-in. Once configured, Outlook begins syncing mail, calendar, and finish by personalizing Outlook. Set swipe gestures, notification styles, and calendar defaults in settings so the app matches how you work. If messages don't appear, toggle account sync off then on, force close Outlook, and restart your iPad to refresh background processes. Should sign-in or storage errors persist, update Outlook from the App Store. If that fails, remove and re-add the account after backing up any local drafts. One tip: check corporate device management prompts. Denied permissions often block calendar or mail sync and are a common cause of issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.